Please tell me this. Is this on?
No. Wait, yes.
Dude, watch what he just did. Look at him.
They're not even hitting it now. Oh shit. They almost hit me and I'm not even.
Please do that again.
Ooh, they can't hit a moving target. Oh my god. That's me.
You literally just fucking died.
What is going on?
Dude, did you not even feel that? You got shot in the neck. No, just now. Look at
Yo, almost 360 them. Like, I think you might need new boots, brother.
Really?
Oh!
Whoa! Shit! He's just fucking getting domed. You just got domed.
Oh shit! Hit! I'm hit! Son of a bitch!
What are you doing? I didn't like that spot. It wasn't covered enough.
Look at this right here. Perfect size hole. They can't open.
What the fuck is he doing?
Oh, he's aiming right at my head.
Fuck. Yeah, go to that building, bro. That's why you can't stand there. Like, what the fuck? You're standing in the middle. I need a bag. That's a first. I never got killed by a grenade before. That's gonna get stepped on. Moving that right there. I moved your gun over. It's gonna get stepped on.
Mine?
Yeah, I moved it over to the tire.
Is it a Glock?
It's a Glock, yeah.
Are you fucking me, asshole?
No, I'm saying it's gonna get stepped on.
I have been looking for it.
Oh.
Thank you.
I just didn't want it to get broken.
Oh, they're safe.
Where the fuck is everyone?
Dude,
What the fuck is he doing?
Oh
He was dropping it like it's hot.
no! Yo, hey! Whoa. Yo, anyone out there? Wait, hold on. Marco! You even say Polo, it just goes, yo! Stack up. Moving up! Why would you scream that? Just be Mad Cash. It's down the road right here. Mad Cash. Dude, yeah, Mad Cash. Mad Cash, free cash. Look at his ass, dude. Your ass was
Don't put your
walking,
gun up.
dude.
We're Mad Cash, bro.
Bro, Leaf's ass is walking. Leaf's ass is eating his pants right now.
Dude,
It's crazy.
are
you alright, dude?
Nah, I just peed.
Uh-oh, I just peed.
Yo, look at this shit.
Nah, that's a cheat. That's a cheat code right there. You got a moving wall.
There's a guy right ahead of us. Right ahead of us. Fuck, was that you?
Yep. I'm right behind you, Leaf. I'm right behind you.
I think they
fucking
realize
terrified.
where we are.
Back up. Back up.
Guys, we can get that flag. We just need to use teamwork, a little bit of seduction.
I'm hit.
Did you see that?
No.
I fucking don't.
Oh, God. Oh, right in my fucking belly button. Oh, my God. Oh, that hurts so much.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit, dude. Did I get him?
Dude, my pistol isn't even shooting.
Great. You're the hottest ones, though.
Oh, hey. Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Do I go left?
I'd like to purchase some condoms, please.
I fucking killed Luke.
Leaf, I don't think my mag's feeding right.
What do you mean? Do you need a gun?
No, it's alright. I can only get one shot off.
Dude, you're gonna run out. Did you take CO2 with you?
Yes.
Good.
I did not take a wrench, though.
Are you kidding?
No. But
Go,
okay.
go get Cal. Go get Nick.
It's alright.
How are you gonna get it out?
I'm gonna go grab the flag, is what I'm gonna do.
Go for it. Or do you want me to shoot?
I'm gonna leave my gun with you. Put it right in this pocket right here.
Dude, what the fuck? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Am I good?
I don't know.
No, I just put it right there. Go grab a wrench. It's in the blue magazine well.
No.
What are you gonna do?
We're just out in the
I'm
open.
gonna be a hero. Alright, here's the plan. Flag's right there.
Hey, hands in.
Alright, here's the plan. One of you goes to each side of the flag, a little further to the left, a little further to the right. Distract them. I'll be following close behind. I'll grab the flag.
You're not part of the plan. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Get your
No,
hand in here,
get your
man.
hand in here. I'm so sorry. That
Wait,
was just...
hold on. You're probably underage for this
No,
part.
I'm not.
We're gonna have
I'm
sex
trying so hard to hit
afterwards.
that guy.
Alright.
Screw your plan.
Oh my god!
Hey, man.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Bungalow.
Where,
Bungalow.
What are we doing? We didn't have side job.
What? Crummy, you okay? Is this yours?
Oh, this no.
You have to leave it back here. No!
We need to rush the flag. I'll go first.
Dinner bone.
Alright.
Do that, do that, do that! Some blood. What if I shot Cal in the head? Yo, what the fuck is he doing?
Yo, is he going to get it?
Whoa! Did you see that shit?
Dodging bullets, bro. That fucking pistol right near my head, dude.
Sorry.
I'm getting fucking petrified.
Did he get it? Go, go, go!
He flipped you off.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. He's a runner. He's a track star. Sorry, Luke. I just came over just to say hi. I'm such an asshole.
Feasting on some booty with the fork he has in hand. Oh, shit. It's for Kung Fu!
Please.
He spent 57 years mastering this, and he's only 21.
12-year-old.
Oh, we got it again.
Hell yeah, man.
Right in the booty.
Do it.
You do it. You do it.
Yeah, no, I can't. It's too mean.
I think I'm out.
Do you need ammo? That's why you're so sexy.
Hold on. Someone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit.
I got you! I got it, finally! Let's go! I love you! Let's go!
This is airsoft. This is what airsoft should be.
Alright guys, I'm going up. Oh no! He's coming up the string!
Oh shit.
He can't get you! Ow, he got me!
Yo, should we go left?
Ow! I don't want to get hit. Guys, come here. This is really important, alright? This is the fork speaking a little truth to you, right?
It's the fork of truth.
Yeehaw, the fork of truth says it so. So we're yeehawing it.
Yeehaw, baby!
Yo, oh, I got it. I got it.
I have nothing but a fork. You've got to let me do this.
You got nothing but a fork? Not any. Oh wait, shit.
Wait, we all have to ride the flag. All three of us need to get on this thing.
The fucking babies is my fork.
All right, I'm taking it up. You want this?
Ride it like a witch's broom.
Oh shit! Wait, how? Okay. Wait, hold on.
Go.
I'll put my fork away. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be nice. He's right there. Ooh, he got me. All right. Oh God, he hit me in the face. He's literally. It's our spawn. Like, what is he doing?
Go, go, go!
Guys, I'm not okay.
Yeah, let's go!